Hi everybody, I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to unpack a book which is not I haven't bought this book, I haven't ordered this book. Basically I'm going to receive this book from my student, and she is sitting right next to me. She decided to give me this book, and I don't know what book is there in this packet. It is an Amazon parcel, and I'm very excited because I'm going to receive a book, and I feel good when my students give me books. Sometimes I give books to my students, and it's kind of a mutual book giving a thing that goes on sometimes. So anyway, before I unpack this book, I would love to ask a question to Parvati. Okay, her name is Parvati, and she's going to tell me the reason why she chose this book. So my question is to you, that you decided to give me this book, and that's why the book is here, the parcel is here. I really don't know uh, what's there in this book, in this parcel. So why did you decide to give me a book? And then I will talk about the book that you, after unpacking it. So why did you decide to give me a book?
So basically, I wanted to give you the book for a long time because when I started learning English at your class, then I feel a different kind of a different kind of feeling in me. I really, every morning I said that I really fortunate that I got that opportunity to learn something different. You said to me, and you also said to all of your students, that you it not mean that you have to educate it, but it doesn't mean that it's only about the degree.
Or reading school books.
Yes, reading school or college books. You have to educate it by differently. Like you have to reading books, you have to know about worlds, you have to read those books which can give you some special knowledge. So this kind of thing about you, I really appreciate, and I really fascinated by you. So that's why you can say that it's a thank gift for you.
Wow. So it's kind of a Thanksgiving. So thank you so much. So without further ado, guys, I am really glad to be able to unpack this book which I have received, and let's see, it's a surprise. So hold your nerve. Okay. So wow. Oh my god. It's a bill. I don't care because I didn't spend the money. But can you guess? Wow, this book is amazing. So this is the book, guys. APJ Abdul Kalam's Learning How to Fly: Life Lessons for the Youth. Like, I don't have any words. I'm speechless. So you decided to give me this book, and the book is here. Now, tell me, why just you decided to give me learning how to fly? I'm not a bird. I should not know how to fly. So why? I mean, I'm joking, but I'm a big fan of APJ Abdul Kalam. So please tell me, why did you decide to give me this book?
So first of all, I know that how big fan you are of this great person, and I know that you have read already a lot of books. I think 4 to 5 books you have already. In those books you have read My Journey, you have read Ignited Mind and Wings of Fire, and another books. And that's why when I decided to give you that book, and when I was searching some books on Flipkart, on Amazon, then suddenly I got that suggestion of that book. Then I got fascinated by that book, and I thought, suddenly I remembered that you are a big fan of this
Legend.
great, this legend. And I also am reading now the book My Journey, and I got surprised, and I got really feel a fire on me that I also can do some, I have to do some special for my life, for my country. I want to give my 100% to do something different which can help my country to grow. So that's why I have decided to give to you, and I hope that you like.
Of course, there is no question about except like likeness. Like, only I can say one thing, that thank you so much that you are giving me this book, and I feel encouraged. Like, when you receive a book from your student, it means you have planted a seed of goodness, and that is why you are getting the fruit. And I'm so happy that I'm receiving this book from you.
I want to say one thing, that whenever I face camera, I feel really scared. And also, thanks a lot to you. I don't know that how can I show my gratitude, but you helps me to overcome from that fear, one of my greatest fear I have ever feel. Like, I now I can understand that how people feel when we watch a video on YouTube. We just simply can judge a person that no, he or she doesn't make that video properly. But now I can understand that how they feel, how difficult is it to face camera. And thank you so much to give me this opportunity to face camera and overcome from that fear.
No, you are welcome. You are welcome. And I always want my student to be empowered. I always want my student to face the fear, because fear of unknown is the thing which actually paralyzes you. But I want you to just be fearless. I want all my students to be fearless. By the way, I don't want to make this video long. Learning How to Fly by APJ Abdul Kalam, live lessons for the youth. And I still consider myself a young boy. So, I'm really looking forward to reading this book. And by the way, guys, you should read books. You should buy books every month so that you can, sustain the likeness of reading books. So go and grab a copy of APJ Abdul Kalam, any copy that you would like to read, and start reading. APJ Abdul Kalam, I consider him, as a successful writer. So that's it for now. And it's been a pleasure talking to you, Parvati, on my channel. And I'm really, like, I don't have enough adjectives to describe your kindness to me, that you thought that, yes, this book, can change my life. So that's why you have given this book to me. Thank you so much. And thank you so much, guys, those who are watching right now my channel and our talk. It's an informal talk. So I would like to thank you from bottom of my heart that you people are showing your love constantly. So if you have any comments, if you want to know about books and anything, please comment that down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you on some other day. Till then, take care and bye.